Obviously, talking about this nature connection, it is a form of quiet rebellion against the modern system. You going outside and maybe not taking your phone or putting your phone in silent and maybe throwing it in your bag so it's not accessible and just enjoying the moment is a quiet form of rebellion against this modern digital age. I think going outside, taking a tree identification book and learning just the name of one tree on that trail. Go for a walk and be like, today I'm going to learn this tree. And just look around on your trail and be like, oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. And start forming that relationship now. You can't form a relationship if you don't know the names of the people you're making the relationship with.